So hey everyone, and welcome back to the another lecture of data structure and algorithm using C++ tutorial series. So in this video we are going to start the stack that and we will the what is the importance of stack in the data structure and algorithm as well. Okay, so we will first understand its concept, then implement it in C++, and finally see it in a real world application as well. So by the end of this video you will have a strong understanding of how stack works. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first question is, what is a stack? Okay, so a stack is a linear data structure that's allow the LIFO principles. Make sure to just remember this word, that is LIFO, means last. This I means in, F means first, and the O means out. Okay, it means the last in, first out. This means that the last element added to the stack is the first one to be removed. Like think of a stack of a plate in a cafeteria. So you always place a new plate on top and remove the topmost plate first, right? Okay, got it. Okay, so the key principle of this, like, or we can say key operations in stack. So first one is a push. It means, in simple word, it's basically add, basically adding a element that is on the top of the, that is add an element at top or to the top. Okay, the next one is pop. Pop means nothing but just we have to remove, like we are removing the element from the top element. Okay, then next one is a peak, or we can say the top. That is, it's basically get the top element without removing. We already get the element without we don't have to remove it. Okay, that is get the top element. And about is empty means it's basically check the stack is empty or not. That is check it. Okay, so now let's see how the implementation of a stack in C++ work. Okay, so we will implement a stack using an array and performing basic operation like push, pop, and pick, and is empty as well. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's go to our editor. Where is editor? Yeah, so yeah, this is the code, so I have to remove it. Okay, so make sure we don't want to this library for right now, so we are not taking it. Okay, so first make a class of stack. Okay, stack, and in this we have to make the one is a public and another one is a private. So we will make a private that is only for the user, that is integer array, and array size of, let's take 5. We just implement the code like array and not in the like what exactly element in it. So and then integer top. Okay, got it, what I'm telling to you. Okay, so this is the index of top element and another one is the array to store the element. Okay, this is a private. Okay, and now just wait. Now we are going to write the for the public. For public we write stack. Okay, and in this we write, just a second, yeah, and in this right we write top equals to -1, because array is start in reverse direction from -1 and not from the 0. Okay, it is basically constructor initialize stack as empty. Okay, then next, yeah, so after that we have to write the void, that is void push, and in this we write some integer value that we want to write. Okay, and then again make it bracket, and in this we write top equals to 4, then we write stack is full. Okay, and then we have to just write the return. Just a second, yeah, so return, only return, not return 0. Okay, and then after that we have to write the array, that is we have to increment as well, that is plus plus, and we write it here as a top equals to the value that is there. Okay, got it, that is it's basically add element and move to the top. So basically we are adding the element and we are directly moving it to the top of that. Then we write cout and the value. Okay, and just add some comment, that is push to stack, and just end it. Okay, got it? Yeah. So then we have to write for void now, that is just a second, give some space, then we are writing for pop. So yeah, again make it, and in this we have to write for now pop if top is equals to -1, then stack is empty. Okay, and then we just write return value, and if this condition is also done, then we write cout array, that is only we are directly writing array top minus minus and not top. So just a second, this is for pop. Okay, so minus minus, and we are just implementing that is pop from the stack. Okay, got it? Yeah, it's basically removing the top element. Then we are doing it for pick. Okay, so pick, for pick, yeah, and again we have to write if top equals to -1, then we write stack is empty. So just write it here, cout, make some space, cout, in the comment write stack is empty. Okay, this is for pick, and then just write return. Okay, so give some space here, yeah, and then after that we have to just write the cout, that is cout, give some another space, and just write top element, element is array top, that's it. Okay, and then after that it is basically displaying the top, like display the top of the element, that is what is the element is in the top. So give some space here, we get error, so let's check after that why we get the error and all that stuff. So don't think, we are just writing it right now, and in this then again we have to write the boolean, and then write is empty, and then we have to write the return equals to -1. Okay, then dot, and then after that we have to just implement the code like what we are writing, that is integer main. We get the error, but we are checking it after that. I am just writing the code now, so make sure to check it. Okay, so stack, then write something, we are declaring stack as s. Okay, and then that is s, first we take push, then we take again push 20, then again we take push 30, and then we take push, it's fine, like for 30 is okay. Then we take peak, so that is we take peak, yeah, it's basically print, okay, like 30. Then after that we take pop, that is it's basically remove 30. Then again we take pick, that is s dot pick, it is basically it's take, it's again print 2d, sorry 20. Okay, and then again we have to remove 20 and 10. So for that we take again pop, and again pop s dot pop, oh sorry, mistake. So yeah, okay, so again we have take pop, that is we are taking pop for 3 times, and it is basically should show underflow messages, and then after the last line that is return 0, and then make it complete. So we get the error, we getting the error, so let's check what we get the error. So let's run and let's check. Okay, so it's basically starting from the line number 30. So let's check line number 30. So where is it? Yeah, so we get cout error. So why we get error? So let's check. So we write return, and then after that cout, and then we write why we get error. So just a second, we make some here mistake, that is top element is. Okay, and then make some space. And why it's like cross, it's basically C out, and then we write, just a second. Okay, so C out, and in this we write top element E. Why it's not looking like a comment? What exactly we get the error? So let's check. Top element is, and give some space, and then in this we have to write the array, and then just writing it as a top and endl. Okay, and then is there happening, so it's starting from 30. Okay, that is the previous statement is here, that is its top is equals to -1. So for void as well, that is stack is empty. So let's run. Again we get the error, that is, I guess we take extra here. So let's remove and let's run again. And it's starting from the line number 30. So let's check it, what I get the error. So see our top element is this. Not understanding why we get error. That is written top equals to -1, and in boolean as well. So we make it as the same, and then so let's check one by one. Okay, so that we first make a class, and then we make it as a private, then integer array, and then we make it integer top. Okay, so after that we declare the public, that is the stack, and in this we write top equals to -1. Okay, yeah, it's basically constructor that initialize stack as empty, then we apply the void push and integer value, and then we declare in it as a top equals to 4, then we print stack is full, and then we return the value. Okay, and after that we write the array is basically adding element and move to the top, that it's basically the condition of this. Okay, and then we write just cout value push into the stack. Okay, and after that we apply the pop, that is void pop, then again we apply the condition, that is if top equals to -1, then the cout is basically stack is empty and endl, and again we apply the return value, and then in this we apply the cout. Okay, so cout array, then minus minus, and then we apply the same. Okay, all set for I guess room number sorry, it is basically line number 20. Okay, then we apply the void peak, that is peak, then again if we apply the condition, that is if top equals to -1. Oh yeah, yeah, wow, that's why we get the error. So yeah, so then we apply cout, stack is empty, then return, and that's it, and then we apply the cout, top element is this. So make sure why we get the error, because of mistake of one we get a lot of error. Okay, so let's make it little bit user friendly and readable. So give some space here as well. इधर भी दे दो, इधर भी, and then इधर. Okay, and just run it again. So yeah, it's we get that is in the reverse order. So let's check it. So just a second, it's basically 10 push to stack. Okay, so you don't have to add this, I'll just make it back. So let's run and make some space before that, that is the basically give it space here. So let's check, where is it? Oh no, it's not here. So let's check. So basically the 10 push to stack, 20 push to stack, then 30 push to stack, then top element is 30. Okay, then 30 pop from the stack, and then top element is 20, and then 20 pop from the stack, and then again 10 pop from the stack. So after deleting this, we get the stack is empty. Okay, so for that we have to make some space here. That is, let's check it is applying here. Space is okay, so let's run. Here is it. It's not happening. So channel, got it what I'm telling to you and how to run this code. So it's basically we created a stack class of with an array of size 5. That is the first one. Where is a push? Yeah, so push, it means add an element at the top. So we added an element. Okay, then after that we pop, that is remove the top element. And about the peak, it's basically display the top element. And about the is empty, it's basically check if the stack is empty or not. And in the main function, that here we function and we test all the operation that is correct or not. Okay, so now that's we have implemented stack. So let's see how it is useful in the real world application. So let's move toward our ppt. Where is it? Yeah, so the next is the real world application of this. So everyone using web browser back button as well. Okay, the next one, that is undo redo function in text editor or your VS Code and other PowerPoint as well, and PPT as well, whatever. Okay, and then call stack in programming. And about the last one, that is expression evaluation. So this is not just an example, there are millions of examples where stack is in use. So the about the web browser back button, so when you visit a web page, your browser store history in the stack. So basically when you click the back button, then pop the last visited page and take you back into the previous page. Okay, so this is a useful of stack in the web browser back button. The next one, that is undo and redo function in the text editor. It's basically when you type something in MS Word or anything, PowerPoint or Microsoft, and press undo, it's remove the last action using a stack. So it's basically redo work the same way but with another stack. Okay, and this is the use of stack in undo redo function in text editor or any type of editor where you have to undo and redo. The next one is third, that is call stack in programming. In the programming, when a function is called, it is push on the stack. When it's finished execution, it is pop from the stack. So this helping in handling recursive function directly to the user. The last one is, that is expression evaluation. That is, in this, stacks are used to evaluate mathematical expression like converting infix to postfix notation. So these are just a few examples, but stack are used in many places. I already told you there are millions of examples that you can take it and run it the stack and make a program and code as well. Okay, like including memory management, balancing, parentheses in expression, and backtracking algorithm like solving matches as well. So we will explore that as well, so make sure to wait for that. So to summarize, we'll learn what a stack is, implementing it in C++, and explore its real world application. So stack are powerful data structure used in the many area of programming. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more content, and make sure to practice this question, and about to make sure to at least solve 10 to, not 20, at least 5 to 10 problem solving questions on stack. So make sure, yeah, that it's great fit to learn and how exactly stack is working on it. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next one. So bye bye.